The next thing we are going to do is to create the hero text and create the dynamic hero text attached to it, which is the grow. We find our text too and then type our hero copy and make the necessary changes to the text settings. We then duplicate our text layer and then type grow. And once you're done with that, we duplicate it and then type saw. Then we change the colors. Using the earlier method, we create a mask for our text layers to mask them. Once we are done creating our component, we move it to the top to start creating our interactive components. So we create a variant of the first grow, and then what we do is we select the bar. To select just the bar, you have to press Command on your keyboard and then use the mouse to select what you want to select. After you selected the bar, you move it to your left, and then we go through we select our mask from the layers panel, and then we adjust the marks to hide the grow. Once we're done with that, we create another variant. In this new variant, what we are going to do is we're going to make the growth text disappear and the saw text visible, even though they are both still going to be hidden within the marks. To do that, we'll press on the eye icon to make the growth hidden, and then the eye icon on the saw to make it appear, so that when we slide back, what we see will be the saw instead of the growth. Now when we are done with that, we create another variant. In this variant, we're going to make the saw appear. We select the bar using the Command/Control key and then the mouse to isolate that, and then we drag it to the right. Then we select the mask layer from our layers panel and drag it to our right as well. And as you can see, the saw text is what appears now, it's not the growth text. We then create another variant of our components. In this variant, we're going to hide the saw again. So we select the bar, drag it to our left side, select the component once again and drag it to our left side so that our saw disappear. When we're done, we create another component. And as we did earlier, we make sure the growth is visible in this component and the saw is hidden in this, even though they are both hidden in the max layer. Variant we'll be creating in this component is the grow, which is what we created initially. We select the bar, slide it to its original position, the right, and then select the mask, slide it to its original position, and now it shows grow instead of saw. Once you're done with that, we go to the prototype section to connect our variant to make the component interactive.